Welcome to the Talent Arc and Talent Pace leadership event. This event is surrounding the changing face of the workforce.
If you go back 20, 30 years and you look at some of the big networks out there, this was a time where businesses were run dictatorially and hierarchically. And actually, if you look at those businesses now, they're all trying to undo that years of legacy and inheritance and change the way they look at their business. And fundamentally, that's because leaders need to lead by example. If the leaders aren't showing the right sort of behaviours or the right sort of setting the vision and the culture for the business, then it's very hard for young people to buy into.
I started entrepreneurial life setting up the Supper Club, which is home to about 500 scale-up CEO and founders. And I've watched over 1,000 of those vicariously scaling up at an average 30% year-on-year growth. And the thing common to all of them is they understand the need to get your purpose and your mission, vision, values and culture right. And they would, to a T, say that was a large part of their success.
How do you make those values real? We decided that we would do so using an intranet system, and essentially it's a Facebook feed, and it looks a bit like a Facebook feed and a blogging site, which has now spread to the whole management exercise of the company. So when you come in the morning, you turn on your computer, you are working always within the same system where we're all communicating with each other.
People we work with are really important to us, and I really like people. So it's been really nice to be able to talk about what we do to make people happy in the workplace and how we keep them engaged and enthused. So that's why I'm here.
I want to talk to Amanda specifically because she's done some great work around reverse mentoring.
When I first heard about it, I thought it sounded just the most brilliant thing ever, really. I think it helps that I've got teenagers, because I don't necessarily have that whole disconnect that the young don't understand us, and what I was hearing my senior team saying didn't resonate with what I was experiencing from the younger generation. So I felt we needed to put something in place that made them appreciate each other a little bit more. The more senior team and the more junior team meet up on about once every 3 months. It's quite a loose, informal process.
The more you're engaging your team in everything to do with its culture, the more it'll cling to that culture, the more that it'll see that culture as its own.
If you just got words, they don't tend to, not much happens with them. Even if you've done the sort of, and I think it's very important you get the team's input in it. If you just dictate them, they don't tend to work. They're not credible.
One of our biggest challenges is cultural consistency on a global scale. And the reality is that the culture tends to come down to whoever the local leader is on the ground. So it's really critical in our business that those people have bought in to the vision, the values, the behaviours that we want to see in the business.
It's been very useful, I think, to get everybody to know each other, to build very different relationships, but it's also been very useful on the business side as well.
If your leaders are curious, then your culture is curious. And it is curiosity that enables you to learn and go into spaces you don't understand and come back with some sort of understanding of them. And that then empowers the people who are giving you understanding to lead.